Oil prices rise again. Hi, I'm Umang Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 12 p.m. Oil prices rise 1% as no end to Iran war standoff seems in sight. Oil prices rose 1%, extending gains from the previous session as the efforts to end the US-Iran war appear stalled, with the crucial Strait of Hormuz waterway still mainly shut, keeping energy supplies from the key Middle East producing region out of the reach of the global buyer. Bank of Japan hikes inflation forecast, hold interest rates. Japan's central bank hikes inflation forecast and halved its growth projections after the Iran war sent oil prices soaring. The Bank of Japan said it expected inflation this fiscal year to hit 2.8%, up from its previous projection of 1.9%, while it also kept its main policy rate to 0.75 PC. US Democrats to force sixth Senate vote on war powers resolution. Minority Leader Chuck Schumer has said the Democrats will force a sixth vote in the US Senate on war powers resolution this week. Senate Democrats will force a sixth vote on war powers resolution ending Trump's war of choice in Iran, Schumer said on X, terming the war reckless and unpopular. Iran Foreign Minister Araqchi says he discussed conditions for continuing US talks with friends in Pakistan. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araqchi on Monday said he discussed with friends in Pakistan the path and the conditions under which Tehran could continue its dialogue with Washington. During his recent visit to Islamabad, Bahrain revoked citizenship of 69 people for glorifying or sympathizing with Iranian attack. Bahrain revoked the citizenship of 69 people over what it described as sympathy with Iran's hostile act and collaboration with foreign entities, the Kingdom's Interior Ministry said in a statement. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.